All right. Hi, fifth grade. So we are going to continue working on our packet at school this week. And last week, you were supposed to color this first page and to give us an idea of our color wheel. You drew your primary colors, and then you colored in what the two primary colors made here, and then you followed the arrow and colored in those primary colors. I know mine's pretty rough. This is just your kind of your map. So that was page 1. That was due last week. And then we worked on the final page, or the second page, because you have 3 pages total. And we colored our primary colors, and then we colored our secondary colors. So when you mix your 2 primary colors, you get the orange, purple, and green. So now we had to fill in the rest. So the way a color wheel works, that we talked about last week, is you take the 2 colors on the side and combine them in the middle. So orange plus yellow equals yellow-orange. So if you have a big crayon box, like I do this week, huzzah, because I finally have a crayon box that I swiped from a child of mine, you can look through and find yellow-orange. And I actually have a yellow-orange. Or if you only have yellow and orange, you can color them too. So go ahead and color in. Remember, this section, we want it to be colored neatly. And some people got a little crazy last week with markers and stuff, but I really want this in crayon, because you can't mix markers. So go ahead and do both when you're doing it. So yellow-orange would be colored in 2 places. Make sure you color it in the right place. Your section might be a little different than mine if you colored your primary colors differently. As long as you put yellow-orange between yellow and orange, you're doing fine. Okay, so let's do yellow and green, and that would be yellow-green. Now these are our tertiary colors. So mine says yellow-green, I'm good. So I'm going to color it. And this is just to help us, so when we talk about analogous and complementary colors, we're going to make like a little cheat sheet wheel, and it's going to be really cool. You might not have the brads at home to help you do this, but if you have it in your art kit. So Josh and Anthony, Josh and Anthony, you might not have the brads. I don't know if I was able to send those home with you or not. I can try and put them on the table at school too. I also left for everybody, all of my 5th graders on NTI or quarantine, you have, in case you didn't print this off and you don't want to print this because you didn't have it last week, I have copies of this whole packet. I have your new sketchbooks. I'm passing out your sketchbooks tomorrow or this week in art class that we're going to use. So in the office, if you're seeing this video, you have a packet with this packet, if you don't want to print it, and then a sketchbook. I can also add brads to that too, and I'll do that in the morning. So you have the brads that we're going to use. We'll need a couple of those. All right, so we did our yellow-green, and now we have blue-green, because blue plus green equals blue-green. Hopefully I have that. Yes, I do. So just keep going around until you have these all colored in. Remember, if you don't have the actual tertiary color in your crayon box, you could color blue and green together in here and just mix it. So you want to color these nice and neat. You're going to do these 2, and then you're going to go and you're going to color this last page. And this last page is actually laid out for you, so you don't even have to do the guesswork. Just actually follow the color. So if it says yellow-green, color yellow-green there, and just color the color it says. And if you want to color these a warm color and this a cool color, you can. You don't have to. That is just your choice. So go ahead and color, filling those in. So this would be blue-green, and then not red, that's purple. Purple and blue would be blue-violet, red-violet, and red-orange. So go ahead and color these 2 and this 3rd picture, and then I'll come back and show you what to do when everything's colored. All right, I'll be right back.